This video is all about how to make money with Leadsleap, and we're going to go over all the ways that we can do that, and starting with the pro ads. So this is my pro account here in Leadsleap. We'll come over here to the pro ads account, and these are some ads over here to the right. If you can see these ads on the side and it says pro, that means they have a pro membership and that they can run 10 ads continuously every month, month after month, and it will bring them traffic month after month. So let's go ahead and look at some of my ads here. And these are find the best selling products, hottest ever, best traffic. I'm promoting some traffic right now. I'm also going to be changing these over tomorrow with a new offer that I'm going to be offering. So as you can see, it only got 670 views in the past 10 days, in the past 7 days. So that's about 67 per day with all of them combined. So that's a pretty low number for Leadsleap. It's usually in the 1,500 range. And how you can raise these numbers up is by changing up your ads, changing them up, and also picking the correct category that the ad goes into. See, this one is drop shipping. This one is make money, the hottest offers, and this one is also in make money. So this one actually should be traffic. So that's why the numbers are low. They will notice that it's in the make money niche and not in the traffic niche, because you get these drop down menus when you create an ad. And let's do that right here. As you can see right here, here is the image and here's the category. So you pick whichever category you want to put it in. There's traffic, traffic exchange, art and craft. I don't know who would use this for arts and crafts, but who knows, it might work. But anyways, with Leadsleap, you can run 10 ads continually, and that's our first way to make money. You can run all these ads which go over to your affiliate offers or your products. If you have a product, you can also send them over to your products that you have a website set up for. So that is the first way we can make money with Leadsleap. It's a pretty good way. It's also a great way to build your list. It's a great way to build your list. Down here in this money category, it will show you 5 different ways to make money here with the program. You have a daily active bonus, and this is for viewing ads. See, I only have 8 credits for today, which is not much. But if you click on these ads here, you will get daily credits and also a little bit of bonus. So if you click over 10 ads in one day, then you start earning this little bit of money, which goes towards paid ads. You can put it towards paid ads. It's not worth withdrawing the money, but it is worth putting the money towards more ads, which is good. Credit encasement. This is also the similar. Convert 100 credits into 11 cents now. So when you create these credits over here by viewing the ads, you can actually turn it into money, which is, like I said, you want to use it for ads rather than withdrawing these little pennies. Co-op earnings, this is pretty cool. So you can, here's your co-op link right here. You will get this link, and then you can show these links in traffic exchanges and safe links and other traffic networks. And whenever someone clicks on your ad, you will get credits and money. Here, I don't have anything, I don't use it. And you can also do the pay per click. And this is a widget that you can place on a blog. So if you have a blog, you can put on your Leadsleap widget, which is like a little bit of advertisement on your blog, and then people will click that, and you'll get paid just for clicks, and you also get paid for people who sign up. And that's our second best way to make money, is affiliate commissions. So over here you can see I made 188 affiliate commissions, and these are all the people that have signed up under me. And this is recurring income. Some pay $22 or $23 and I get $11.50, which is half of that, or some pay $27 a month and I get $13.50. So it depends on which discount they signed up under. If you don't sign up under any discount, pay the full $27. If you get a discount under your monthly rate, you get $11.50 or $23 a month, double that. So that's a great way for recurring income. I have 48 payable right now. I can withdraw right now $100 pending so far, and I have drawn like $40 so far. So that is a fantastic way to not only cover your expenses for Leadsleap, the pro version, but also to make recurring income also. So those are our main ways to make money with Leadsleap. Ads and referring the program are the two best ways to make money. And of course, you always have all these other features that you can use to generate more income. And that's like posting credit ads. If you look over the ads over here, you'll get the credits we talked about earlier, and then you can generate more traffic towards your offers. Also, you have a rotator that rotates all your offers. You can put all your offers under one link and just promote that one link. Also, you have the email series, which you can send out emails, of course. Page builder, where you can build your landing pages. Funnel builder, you can build a whole funnel, and you can also share the funnel if the person has a paid ad, a paid pro account. If they have a pro account, then they will be able to use your funnels if you share it with them. If not, they can use the pages for free, individual pages. And then you have all these affiliate links that you can use to promote. You have sign up a day, this ebook that you can promote with, and you can get signups that way. You can also, the Insider's Advertising Report, there's a link that you can promote this, and if someone signs up under your link, then of course you get recurring income for them signing up to Leadsleap. And the program is just fantastic, of course. I always talk about it because I use Leadsleap all the time, every day, and it generates me income monthly, as you saw. I also wanted to mention that with these pro ads, what you can do to create these images is come over to Canva and just create a new design. Let me just pull up one of my designs. Well, you can go to here to custom sizes, and it's 300 by 250. Each ad is that dimensions. So here's one that I created that I'm going to be posting tomorrow, actually. Earn while you learn. And this is a community that people will learn how to make money online, and also they can make money with the program itself. But there are several different courses in this one community which you can take about print on demand, affiliate marketing, digital products, and all kinds of other courses that you can learn and earn at the same time. So this is the program that I use, of course, Canva, to create all these free ads. Whoops, I just moved that over there. If you hit it by accident, you can hit the back button, and it'll go back to where before you made the changes. Okay, that's all I have for you today. Hope you liked this video. I will see you in the next one.